Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. So I'm back with another Python tip for you. Today I'm going to discuss a couple of utility methods which are built into Python. These are dir and help. So I'll get started with dir first. So dir method basically accepts a class or an object of a class, and it iteratively goes inside the class and picks up the attribute names or the method names and return us back those names in a list. What I mean is, let me show you by an example. So if I pass in a list, which is a built-in class in Python, and pass it into the dir method, here is what I get. So I get all the methods that are present in the list class, including the dunder methods, which are supposed to be internal, meaning that they should not be used directly, although they can, because all the methods in Python are by default public, so they can be used directly. But the methods which are not dunder methods, they are meant to be used publicly. So anyway, whenever you are using list, you would only use these methods. So dir basically returns a list of all the methods or attributes present in the list class, or any class whichever you have passed in. For example, let's try it with another example, say tuple. So it returns all the methods and attributes present inside the tuple class. So it's a handy tool to have in case you forget what methods a class support or not. So now let's jump into help. So what helps does is basically it returns the doc string for any class or any method within the class. For example, if I go ahead and look for the help or doc string for list, I would write something like help and pass the list object within it or the list class within it. So here is what it returns. So it gives me the entire doc string for the list class along with the one liner for each of the methods that it has. So as you can see, all these, not one liner per se, it was the dunder methods that had the one liner, but for the public or supposed to be used publicly methods had quite an extensive description. So these are basically, it compiles all the doc string for every method and then put, put it into your CLI. So it's a very handy utility to have. So if I want to look only for specific docstring for any specific method, I would pass in something like list dot sort, for example. So it would only return the docstring for the sort method, which is inside the list class. Here is. So it's the entire docstring, and you can go through it, get some idea about what this sort function does and all. So in a way, help really helps you to fast track your programming. I hope you guys use these two methods to become a better programmer. Thank you. Happy coding. Bye.